Netflix versus Apple, two tech titans battling for your investment dollars. Which one is the better buy right now? Let's break it down. On one side, you have Apple, the undisputed king of consumer tech with a market cap soaring towards $4 trillion. It's part of the elite Magnificent Seven stocks. Their flagship iPhone continues to dominate. And recent sales for the new models have been strong even in competitive markets like China. Apple is a fortress of a company, a name synonymous with innovation and quality. On the other side, there's Netflix, the pioneer and leader in the streaming world. It's smaller with a market cap around $471 billion, but it's punching well above its weight. Netflix has a clear and powerful strategy that's firing on all cylinders. So, where should you put your money? While you might think Apple is the obvious choice, especially with the AI boom, there's a catch. Surprisingly, Apple is seen as a bit of an outlier in the AI race. They haven't invested as heavily in AI infrastructure as other tech giants, and their exact AI strategy isn't totally clear yet. Of course, AI will eventually become a huge part of their products, but the path isn't as defined as you might expect. Now let's look at Netflix. They are all in on AI. They are already using it to give you those spot-on show recommendations that keep you glued to your screen. But it goes deeper. They're providing generative AI tools to filmmakers, helping with everything from creating special effects to making characters look younger. It's a powerful tool to enhance their core business, content, and speaking of content, Netflix is absolutely crushing it. They've just surpassed 300 million global subscribers. They're successfully rolling out price increases and raising their full-year revenue guidance. Their new ad-supported tier is opening up a massive new revenue stream, and they're expanding into live sports and other forms of content. In today's world, content is king, and Netflix wears the crown. The financial results back this up. They're showing strong growth and have a very clear runway ahead. They're not just a streaming service anymore. They're becoming a global entertainment powerhouse. So what's the final verdict? While Apple is a phenomenal company and isn't going anywhere, the path forward for Netflix just seems clearer and more exciting right now. Yes, Netflix's stock is trading at a higher valuation, meaning you're paying a premium for that growth. But in this case, the growth opportunity looks so significant that it's worth it. The momentum is undeniable. Netflix is executing its plan flawlessly, from cracking down on password sharing to building a lucrative advertising business. I don't think Apple is a bad buy by any means. It's a stable, long-term hold that's unlikely to lose its top spot in consumer tech. But if you are looking for a stock with a more defined and explosive growth trajectory in the near future, Netflix is the one that stands out. The story is just more compelling. That's my take on the Netflix versus Apple showdown. Which stock do you think is the better buy? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the market's biggest names. See you next time.